Alrighty guys, so this is a video about conibear traps. Now, this is a 110 conibear trap. It's not all that big, it's for like muskrats and possums and squirrels and small rabbits. This is what it looks like in its most compact form. All folded up for storing purposes. It weighs, I don't know, it's an ounce, is not nowhere near, not even a pound, a couple ounces. So then when you unfold it, looks like this. It's before it's set. I'll go over a few of the parts. You've got the ring that you stake off into the ground. You've got your spring. This is the spring that gives you the tension, 110 pounds per square inch. That's why it's a 110. And then you've got your trigger and your dog. The dog's got 3 settings, 1, 2, 3. So this is for adjustments for the tension and how tight you want this trap to be, how responsive it's going to be. And then last but least, when it's set up, you can see that this is tightened while that one's spread. That one's open, that one's spread. And then you get the dog over. It's in between. It's in between. So now, a stick, piece of wood. You guys can see that. Give me 1 second. I gotta put you guys down. You see that right there is the mark that it was left by the dog. But that's a tutorial on how a 110 conibear trap works, and I'm sure that the sound isn't gonna even come close to the actual, this video is not gonna do justice to what it's doing. But I mean, these are really good for long-term survivability, and I mean, they're not going to break, they're going to last forever. You need 2 hands to effectively set this trap. And they actually have tools to set any higher, because everything bigger than this, I mean, this will break your fingers. Everything higher, I mean, you break your hand, you break your arm. I'm all set with carrying around something that could potentially severely hurt me. You know what I mean? So, that's my tutorial on it. I wish I had a way to set this camera up so that way I could physically set this trap for you. Try something. Yeah, right. Hoping y'all can see this. What do is just squeeze it. You can see. Hold it down here at the bottom. Let it swing. And then you just put it in the spot. Once it's in the spot, it's not going to open. Hopefully that caught it. Hopefully that got the whole thing. I really hope it did. If it didn't, that would kind of suck. But basically what you do is this right here, you squeeze it. At the same time with your other hand, you squeeze these together, and then you link it up with the dog. And the dog stops it from flattening back out. But as soon as something goes in through this trap, snap, slam, bang, boom. And it'll be stuck there, waiting for you to come find it. I think I paid $22 for the 3 of these, so I mean that's 3 chances. You bait them, set them out there. That's 3 chances for you to have a meal. Check them once a day. It's a lot better than sitting out there waiting. I mean, by all means hunt, but people, we need to learn how to trap too. Start learning how to farm. I mean, everybody. I know that there's farmers out there. I know that there's hunters out there. I know that there's trappers out there. But everybody needs to start learning this kind of stuff because they've already proven you can't depend on the government. So you need to depend on yourself. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this little video. Have a good one.